Right, these are the Asics Gel Light Retro, the first retro of the Gel Lights. This came out on the 9th or 10th of July this year, or 2017, so a few weeks ago. Yeah, I personally, I've got a confession to make. These are the first Asics that I've ever bought for myself. I bought them because I just thought they were beautiful. I mean, the Gel Light itself was made famous because of gel light cushioning, or gel cushioning, that's made the sneaker extremely light, extremely comfortable, and with the traditional silhouette, a traditional shape and look. Really and truly, for me, it was a break from the norm. I'm always wearing Adidas and Nike shoes, and I felt like, and my Reebok workouts that I will keep forever. I'm gonna wear them into the ground. These, for me, I've always been looking at Asics, and like, what we're used to seeing is the Gel Light 3s and the Gel Light Vs, just constant collaborations with like Power and Atmos, with the Gel Light 3 and the Gel Light V models. But this retro, I love retro sneakers, and for me, this is a color combination that will stand the test of time. I believe that I could still be wearing this in 2 or 3 years time. These are way more comfortable than the Adidas trainers that kind of mimic this style. Again, I'm not accusing anyone of copying a style, I'm just saying for this particular shape, because what you'll find with Adidas at the moment is a lot of their silhouettes are following the same style as the Yeezy, Support Advance, the Tubulars. They're all got the similar shape with like the tongue and the extended heel tab. But this traditional style of sneaker, this traditional shape, I felt like I needed a pair for summer. They go amazing. These go, let me just get the light on there. These absolutely go amazing with just blue denim jeans. Blue denim jeans or khaki colored shorts or cargo pants. You know, they're just really simple and straightforward. And I tell you what, put the light back on me, the kicker about these is, guess how much they were? £75. £75.
Damn, Daniel.
For a retro sneaker. 75. And that's retail. There's a lot of other retailers that will be selling these for 80, but I bought them for £75. You can still get them at places like Sneakers and Stuff. I'm not too sure. You can check out a few store. Yeah, there is a Sneakers and Stuff in London, but if you go to their website, again, I think they've got some sizes left. I think the last time I was on there, I saw a 10.5 and plenty of sizes below that. I don't know if there's any 10s or any 9.5s, but there's plenty of sizes. Comfortable shoe, looks absolutely beautiful. The finish, I mean, I don't know if you can see the finish here. There's no problems at all. There's no glue stains. Everything is where it should be. The black detailing is actually suede. The upper is nylon. Obviously, I don't want to show it inside the shoe because I've been wearing them and they're not crystal white. We're all friends here, we're all friends. I mean, they're just a really good shoe. The color is amazing. Yeah. You could wear them with anything. Black jeans, white jeans, joggers, grey joggers. You could wear them if you're going to the gym. You could wear them if you're meeting friends at a barbecue.
Hyper combo.
Wear them if you're going out to somewhere special for drinks or something like that. Obviously, smart casual, you need to be careful. If you can't wear trainers, you can't wear trainers or sneakers. You gotta wear shoes. But I love these. They're in my current rotation. I've got a lot of sneakers in rotation at the moment because I'm just trying to wear. Alright, so check it out, guys. In the new year, I'm going to be doing some vlogs. Some basic vlogs, just some sneakerhead vlogs, just releases, got it, all that sort of stuff. And also some more reviews on trainers. I know I haven't been that consistent lately, but there's been a lot going on. And I keep putting my face up so you can see up my nose. I'm really sorry about that. So anyway, yeah, it won't be shopping vlogs, but it will be kind of shopping vlogs, sort of like on a day out trying to, you know, go to West End or Oxford Street or whatever, trying to get some releases that I may be trying to get, or maybe not. If the missus is listening, then I'm not buying any. If the missus isn't listening, then I may go and try and get some. Hint, hint. But anyway, yeah, I'm not really into that whole, look guys, I'm going to buy anything because technically I want it and I'm a hype beast, but I don't want you lot to think I'm a hype beast, so I'm just going to say I copped it so I can review it. I don't do that. I know the value of £1 and I'm not just going to spend stuff on stuff that I think I want, but I don't want. But I don't want you guys to think that, so I try and mask it by saying I just bought them to review them. I'm not into that. So I'll buy what I'm after, and everything else I'll let you know the release details so you can try and cop it. Let me know in the comments if there's anything I can do different, anything you guys want to see, anything good, anything, blah, blah. Anything you guys don't want to see, let me know. I'm here for you. See you later.